A day on a family dairy farm, farm-to-school farm engagement. In this third part, we will show you how we wash and assemble the milk buckets. So my dad is the main milk bucket washer. He washes all 4 of our milk buckets in this hot soapy solution, and after washing the outside, he scrubs really hard into the inside to make sure all of it is clean and there's no milk residue. Otherwise, when our milk gets tested, the test results won't be as good and show as good a quality of milk. And then he puts it into a sanitizing solution. And lets it drain out onto a pail. And then he washes the milk pail that I carried milk in, making sure it's ready for the next time we use it for milking, which will be in our night milking. And then he rinses it as well in the sanitizing solution. And my dad stoppers these tubes that connect to the pulsator, so then they don't get the pulsator wet and cause it to not work as well during milking. Then he takes the lid gaskets out off of the covers, the lids of the milk buckets, and begins to wash them. And then he washes the lids of the milk buckets. Using scrubbers to get in and around the different tubes. And then uses an inflation brush to clean the tip cups. A very fun tool. Never used one, but who knows? Looks fun. And then the milk bucket lid will also go into the sanitizing solution. Next, we wash the hoses, running water through them. And then he takes one of our scrubbing cloths to wash the outsides to get all the dirt and any possible manure that may have stuck on. And then sanitizing them, just like any of the other parts. And then we just brush out the dirt of the pulsators. Assemble the milk bucket. We get the lid gaskets. Then we put them back on. Put the pulsator on, and then put the lid back on the milk bucket. Then he takes the stoppers out of the tubes and then connects the tubes to the pulsator so the milk can be pumped during milking.